Today I'm going to show you how to remove your video background in VEED. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our video over here. What we want to do is we want to just click on the video clip that we would like to remove the background from. So over here, as you click on it, you'll see right at the top, you'll see it's on edit. Here it's in the edit video section, and here we can just scroll down. You'll see that there are quite a few options. Here is a remove background option. So this will erase the background. This is automatically removed. Okay, so there is another way to do this because this does need credits. All right, so you can try it once for free, but it is a premium feature. So if you're not using the premium, there is another way of doing this. So if you come on the way down over here, you'll see that there's a green screen option over here. Now, if you are using a green screen, this is fantastic. But if you're not using a green screen, then it may potentially take out other colors from your video. So if you go ahead, click on the color picker, and let's say, for example, we're going to pick this color. It's literally going to remove that color from your video. And you can also change the intensity, right? So as you change the intensity, you will see that the difference will be in real time. But the idea here is really that you are using a green screen. Now, this is a bad example of a video because I literally am looking at a screen of my computer. So it's not really set up for this kind of video, but it is set up for if you have subjects in your video. It'll also detect the depth if you are using the background removal, but if you are using a green screen, then this is a fine option.